Hello friends, this is to test the RODE GO lavalier microphone connected to the Hero2 GoPro camera. So the Hero2 comes with an internal mic which for all practical purposes is unusable, which brings me to the question of how well lavalier GO performs with this camera. So there are many external microphones that one can use, but the RODE ones are a brand name that has quite a good reputation. So I just wanted to pick this one up and try with the Hero2. So I'm standing about 2 feet away from the camera, and the audio quality that you get to hear, we will test it out on the computer once I finish the recording, but this is exactly the same setup I'm going to do without the microphone connected, without the external microphone connected, and we'll get to see how the GoPro internal mic performs. So here I am at the same distance away from the camera, but this time without the external mic, and the audio clarity, as you may well informed by now, is pretty poor with the regular GoPro. So shall we connect the external microphone and then we will continue the conversation. As you must have noticed by now, the external microphone makes a huge difference to audio quality with the Hero2. Now, the inference is fairly clear. An external microphone is pretty much an essential requirement if one has to use the GoPro for anything practical. Now, which brand one chooses, whether it is a Saramonica or an EduTech or a RODE, is up to individual tastes, but the RODE is indeed a good brand to go with. Thank you.